Hi everyone, Despair Repair here. In our previous videos, we've shown how to clean the throttle body on our trusted Skoda Fabia. In that case, the throttle body wasn't that filthy, but on my wife's Clio, it's a very different situation. The throttle body is really filthy and really gunked up. To be honest, we didn't have the time to check it until it started causing problems. But the good side is that this is a real-life example of why it's important to inspect and clean the throttle body on a regular basis so it doesn't get to this. All in all, a good show and tell, so stay tuned. DespairRepair.com. Be sure to visit us at our website DespairRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. We have numerous other videos regarding the throttle body topic, like how to clean the throttle body without removing it, how to clean it when it's removed, how to do a relearning procedure after it's cleaned, and more. The link for the videos is in the card in the corner or in the video description. The reason why we did this on the Clio is that the car started to hesitate when accelerating. There was a jerky gas pedal response and there was occasional rough idling. These are the standard issues for a dirty throttle body. For your information, if you happen to have these issues on your car sometimes, the throttle body is one of the first things to check. Now, the first thing I did was to remove the air intake, which in case of the Clio consists of one longer and one shorter hose. First, I removed the bigger flexible one and then the smaller one, which has one more smaller rubber hose attached to it. Both hoses are connected to the air filter housing. Once the hoses were off, it wasn't a pleasant sight. The throttle body was really dirty, filthy, and full of gunk. On this part, I must say it would certainly be better to take the throttle body off and give it a thorough clean, especially since on the Clio it's not complicated to do at all. But we needed the car back in drivable condition as soon as possible, so I decided to give it a clean without removing it. To do this, I would use a carburetor cleaner. Before using the cleaner, I used some cloth for cleaning since there was some serious filth. The good part on the Clio is that the throttle body is cable driven, which is also very convenient for this job, so I could just manually open the butterfly valve and give it a good clean. Then I used the carburetor cleaner and gave the whole throttle body a good rinse. As you can see, the results are pretty good and there is almost no filth left. After this, I reconnected the air intake hoses. Then we started the engine and took the car for a test drive. All of the previous problems disappeared and the Clio worked like a charm. So in this case, cleaning the throttle body without removing it solved the problem, although once again I would be much happier if I took it completely off and gave it a good clean. I may even do this in the near future. So that's it for this time. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.